Okay, in the last part, we added this interact parameter to our game object, which allowed us to control when we transition between these various different states. So I can fire this off with a live preview to view that in action. So we just need a way of controlling this via script rather than via manual action here. So in my scripts folder, I'm going to add a new script, create C# script, and I'll call this interact and open it up. I'm not going to focus on scripting in this series. It's just to show you the one line of code that you need to make this work essentially. But what I do need is a reference to the animator component I'm controlling. And my update, I'm just going to, for example, right now say I'll do this on a button press. So if input.get key down. Not a super in-depth coding course here. We're just showing you very specifically how to solve this problem. In this case, so with a reference to the animator component that has my animator controller with my parameter attached, I'm going to go ahead and type my animator and dot set trigger. Remember, a parameter type was a trigger parameter. You also have options for float, int, and boolean. But trigger is what we want, brackets, and the name of my parameter is interact. And that's the only real line of code you need to make this work. So put this wherever you want in your scripts to make this animation play. Popping back over to Unity. Let's put this script, for example, on my main camera as sort of a surrogate for the player at the moment. So interact, add component, interact. And I'm just going to drag and drop that lid pivot across to attach the animator component we are communicating with. And that's it. Press play. Now, whenever I press the E key, it's going to fire off that interact parameter up here. Chest opens, closes, so on and so forth.